On BMW models with roof rails, you can mount BMW railing carriers as a base for different roof luggage systems. Clean the roof rails on your vehicle before fitting the railing carriers. The sticker on each support foot of the railing carriers shows the correct installation position. Make sure to mount the front and the rear railing carrier in the correct order and facing in the correct direction. Start by mounting the front railing carrier. Turn the hand wheel on the support foot anti-clockwise until the fastening claw in the foot is opened as far as possible. Position the center of the support exactly on the markings on both roof rails. Fixing the railing carriers in the correct longitudinal position is essential for traffic safety and to prevent damages to your BMW or to the roof carrier system. Turn the hand wheel on one support foot clockwise to tighten the fastening claw, initially only by hand. Tighten the fastening claw on the opposite side by hand. Turn the hand wheel further clockwise until a clicking noise signals that the fastening claw is tight. Turn and press the hand wheel further to lock it in position. Proceed in the same way on the opposite side of the railing carrier. Proceed in the same way to mount the rear railing carrier. Make sure to use the marked position on the roof rail here too. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.